I don't need them to say, wow, this is beautiful. I just want them to forget their day-to-day struggles. There's no reason there should be stereotypes around interior design, and for whatever reason there is, that deters a lot of people. Like, what we do is building science and architecture and then concepts, graphic design. And yeah, we do pick furniture and fabrics and stuff, but that's 2%.
When we think about what color we're going to paint the ceiling, most people are not staring up at the ceiling all night long. They're literally looking at the table and their plate and their napkin and their wine glass and how all of that comes together. It's this experience that happens like right in front of the customer that ultimately is the stuff that they remember the most.
I think restaurants can be so many different things. Some of them you want to create this really theatrical, immersive experience that separates them from real life. But other times it's like, I'm going out for a lunch with my friend. And I think ultimately that's why I really care about leading a project with the way that people want to feel in the space.
Part of the challenge of being an interior designer is like we're trying to get inside of people's heads, right? In this space, we had a very accomplished chef who really had a strong vision. And so of course, a chef like that wants to be able to show the kitchen off, wants to be able to show food being finished and see again the heart of that space.
This one, it's about the bar. It's almost like a gallery or it's theater. Like, just watching that performance is pretty spectacular. We knew we wanted that hotel lobby atmosphere.
The palette for the Nash was really inspired by the history of the building. So lots of, natural wood. We used marble. We still see spaces from 100 years ago with those materials performing today. I mean, I can't think of something more sustainable than that.
We're so passionate in our firm to impact Calgary, change our city, make it a better city, do what's right for the city and not necessarily what's right for us.
To hear that a client is still in business 5 years later, 8 years later, 10 years later, I love it when there's this like beautiful continuation and people ultimately enjoying the space at the very end.
I think one of the most rewarding things about doing restaurants is that you get to experience them with your friends and your family, and that you get to know that we were a part of building this business that's a cornerstone in the community.
I hope you don't remember the tile on our bar. I hope you just remember that was the most amazing space. It had the best vibe in Calgary.